and speaker Maithili in particular. To start with, I must commend you on a beautiful effort on your Project 4. I think it had a lot of elements of what Project 4 calls for. It had a beautiful opening to start with. You had a movie-like picture built up, time 7 o'clock and place so and so. So you brought in the picture of the place that you were at, and you brought in a little suspense to add to the opening. You had a little element of surprise there. I think that was a very beautiful opening and good use of words. That's what the project calls for. I in fact noted a lot of good usages. To quote a few: never-ending romance with sweets, sweet sister, sweet wife, sweet so-and-so, fruitful alliance, stumbling block, better sense prevailed, cherish and relish, and a lot of such usages. Also a simile which said, as blind as a bat. Grammar was intact. That's also one of the requisites of Project 4. And topic selection was wonderful. Given it was Project 4, it had a lot of opportunity for you to build on a vivid picture. However, having said all this, I think looking at the guidelines of Project 4, one thing you could have done better is build a more vivid picture of sweets. Your topic was sweets, so it had a lot of opportunity for you to build a more vivid picture. Probably you could have said how soft a sweet was, how in terms of texture, in terms of how juicy it was. You could have played with a lot of similes, metaphors, and there are different figures of speech that you could have enhanced your speeches with, and that's what Project 4 calls for. And Project 4 also has different variations, like you can appeal to senses. Sweets have a taste, sweets have smell. You could have brought in all those elements. And also you sprinkled a few good usages here and there, while you should load a lot of good usages. It should bring in almost every other sentence of yours should have a simile, every other sentence should have a good triad. One more important thing that I noticed is that you didn't stop at a triad, you made 4 repetitions. Like when you said sweet sister, sweet something, you had 4 repetitions. Why triad is emphasized on is because it has an impact on memory and it's a well-researched guideline. So stop at a triad. When you say sweet sister, sweet so-and-so, so if you stop at a triad, it has an element of retention and it plays with memory well. I think that way it called for a little more preparation. Also, you were struggling at a few places when you used complicated sentences. So a little more preparation can make it fluent and make it more pleasant and appealing for listeners. I think on that note, a wonderful speech. Thank you.